Sorry about that. I'm doing a tin opening for this one. Because I just did my opening for this one. Go check it out. It's really good. I got some good pulls. I'm doing a tin opening for this one. So here we go. Now I'm opening the promos right now. And honestly, the promos are better in this one than the other one. You get a lot better promos in this one. So, first off, let's go look so good secret. You got the Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. Or Waterfall, whatever the point is. Yeah. Then you got a super awesome card. Blacklisted Soldier. Envoy of the freaking beginning. Awesome. Then you got Ally Justice Catastor. Amazing card. Then you got this card. Apparently it's supposed to be like a really, really good card. I actually use this in my Crystal Beast deck, and then you got your bear. So honestly, the better promos are on this one. Pretty much, really, reason why is you get BLS and Catastor. That's why this one's a better 10. So here we go. Okay. So now, oh yeah, also my last pack I pulled a rare version of it. So let's see here. Come on. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I have the packs right here. Hidden Arsenal 7. Let's see what I get. Okay. I get this one. You get that. You get this. That, okay, really? You get that one. Now you get this one. So, yeah! Awesome cards! I don't know what they do, but they're awesome! Okay, so now moving on to the actual packs. Oh, I mean, well, yeah, you know what I mean. Let's do Abyss Rising. Now, you know what? Screw it. Sorry guys, I'm just... Okay. So we got this card. That one. That one. Whoops. That one. Okay. That one. Oh, that's a rare. My bad. And we got... Okay, just a common. Okay. So far, no hollows. Oh well. We should get at least, hopefully, one hollow. We got at least one. We got 2 out of 5 hollows in the last video and last box, so it's pretty good. That one. That one. That one. Nice! Another Bull Blader. That one. Sweet, hollow. Yeah, that card. Got at least one hollow. So yeah. All the comments I got so far. Okay, so we got at least one hollow. Hey, we got another Bull Blader. Awesome. This one's got, oh. Yeah. Oh, come on. So here we go. You got that one. This is Lord Techie. Oh, I got the baby one. Got that one. Got that one. Yeah, that one. Hey, cool. Guys in this pack. And we got this one, which is the fire dragon. We got that. We got that. And we got that. Okay, so far one hollow. That's, like I said, that's still not too bad because that's still at least one hollow. I mean, I'll be honest if I can pull a secret rare. It's any secret rare, really. That one. That one. That one. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm not going to name them off one by one. Okay. And this one is just a common. Okay. Okay, so we only got one hollow, but oh well. But yeah, overall we did good. I mean, we got another Bullblader, which is awesome. We got at least a hollow. I think I have all the baby dragons. No, I don't. Oh, I almost have all of them. I just need the earth one. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This was this tin's opening. Hope you guys liked it. Travis, he has this tin. He'll do opening for you on this one. I don't know when that will be up, but he'll do opening for you. So keep watching. Thank you guys for watching. And this is Zach with the Sonic Duelist. See you.